Welcome, Conway 29526 for your August 2024 local market update for single family residential homes. So, in August, you'll see it's this very bottom part of the graph, and the average sales price was 347.36, up from last year at 331,561. Uh, Days on market are really about the same, 130 compared to 132. This is we did go down in average price per square foot, 142 in 2024 August compared to 144, but our average price was up, so that's good. We have a little bit more inventory, 3.5 months supply. You can see that 416 active listings compared to 333, and there is a lot of building going on. Plus, there's a lot of people trying to sell their house while prices are high, not knowing what's going to happen in the election. Here's telling you, look at 132 pending sales. That's amazing. That's the most we've had. Uh, well, not this year, but compared to last year. 132 compared to 98, 106 closed sales compared to 96. So, good time to sell your house. Call me if you have questions. And thanks for watching. Take care.